Hey everybody, this is a rare elf e-bike. There's not that many of these around anymore, and there's even fewer technicians who know how to work on these. There's one down in Massachusetts, but I found out recently that he's thinning his herd and wants to get rid of his. So today, we're gonna go down and rescue his elves.
He's calling Elf Rescue! Elf Rescue?
Elf Rescue?
Hey, it's Ecofage. It's time to go rescue some elf e-bikes.
Hang on, Elf Rescue, go!
All right, it's pretty early in the morning, and I'm getting ready to do a 6-hour round trip from here to below Boston to pick up a bunch of special e-bikes from my buddy Chris at Pesky Rabbit E-Bike Repair. I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. We're at a rest stop, just checking everything, making sure everything's still connected, still tight, adjusting tire pressure because they're warming up and getting a little full. And there they are. All right, so here we've got our Sinclair C5 with the frame. Orange elf, and then they're loading the green elf down there. I'm here with my buddy Chris from Pesky Rabbits. We're gonna get these elves loaded up on the trailer and get them going. All right, we're all loaded up. Time to drive 3 hours back. This is some tight streets. Goodbye. I'll see you later. Not made any easier by the fact that the elves are wider than the trailer. So we've got maybe 6 inches on either side of the elves. Hope I don't take someone's mirror out. In Boston, eating a Boston cream. My state doesn't have that many restaurants, fast food restaurant chains. So whenever I'm in another state, I try to hit up some chain I've never been to. You might have seen that on some of my previous videos. But today we're trying Raising Cane's chicken fingers. Got my chicken, let's give it a taste test. Okay, Raising Cane's taste test. Fries are pretty good for crinkle fries. Chicken. Try it plain first. It's pretty good. Nothing to write home about. But supposedly, the only thing worth getting is the sauce from Cane's. So let's try it with the sauce. Huh. It's like super peppery. It's like black pepper. That is good. That's damn good. It's probably one of the best fast food sauces I've had. Okay, 1 through 10 rating. I'm gonna give it an 8.5. strong 8.5. That's pretty good. It's gonna be tough to save some of this to bring back to my wife. Sitting here eating my canes, and there's a Cousin's Maine lobster truck right over there. It's like, did they follow me or what? All right, we're back on the road. Got through Boston. It was a little bit tight, but we made it. On the road again. All right, well, I think that was a pretty successful mission. If you guys like this video, make sure you're subscribed because we're going to be working on these over the next year or two. I know you're going to want to see the updates on these. If you like this, check out some of these other videos on the elves I've worked on. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys next time.